Hello guys, welcome to LOPO's channel. I'm Zoe. As we know, aluminum sublimation photo panels have been used to display art and photos in museums for years. But did you know that you don't have to be a museum or art gallery to get the same high-quality products? Aluminum sublimation photo panels are a perfect way to display your pictures with beautiful vibrancy in high resolution. Considering that all of you guys can display your special memories such as weddings, vacations, birthdays, and many more with more favorable prices, LOPO brings different kinds of sublimation photo panels. There are sublimation photo panel and sublimation aluminum photo panel. These premium quality photo panels are available in common photography print sizes. Let's say for sublimation photo panel, including 30 inches, 10 inches, and 7 inches. Sublimation aluminum photo panel are accessible in 7 by 10 inches, 5 by 7 inches, and 3 by 5 inches. Thickness of aluminum is 1 mm. They are also available in different colors. For sublimation photo panel, you can choose the log color, black and white. As sublimation photo panel, I think white is best choice for you. So the first thing I think you should consider is weight. With the sublimation photo panel, weight is no longer a concern. Do you think it's a wooden frame? If you say yes, that is wrong because they are made of lightweight plastic. I'm so excited because there's no big difference between sublimation photo panel and the wooden ones. It means you can get the wooden appearance with lighter weight and a favorable price. And it really makes a great item to add to any kinds of wall, like in children's room, whether you want to put names on them or superhero pictures or princess. You really have a lot of options for something flexible in terms of home decor, especially with two kinds of suspension mounts, which can be vertical or horizontal. You can adjust it to what you like. And now I can't wait to show you more details about sublimation aluminum photo panel. It's a hinge joint right here. You can see the simplicity of this product and also the durability. So it's a hinge product, so you can peel the tape off, stick it on and turn it upside down. Then you are done. So you can see from a side view where you're at. Just couldn't be simpler. Also, it's super convenient for you guys to fold it or change the direction. The best part is that sublimating these photo panels is very simple. After a few moments, peel away the transfer to see your amazing results. Sublimation photo panels are a great way to keep and display your pictures and memories in a gallery quality fashion. They're perfect for presenting your photography or art and make great gifts for friends and families. These aluminum photo panels and more available at our website. You can also contact us by following our channel. See you next time!